Good day, entrepreneurs and aspiring business magnates. Welcome to InvestorWeb, your top-notch guide to the most innovative and self-running business ideas. Here at InvestorWeb, our mission is to empower you with cutting-edge insights into the world of entrepreneurship. Expect a wealth of content from startup strategies to investment tips and beyond. We're all about fostering a community of forward-thinking individuals. So buckle up as we delve into 10 self-running business ideas that you should consider. At number 10, we have the e-commerce store. This modern marvel of the digital age is, in essence, a virtual storefront that allows you to sell goods or services online right from the comfort of your own home. With the right products and a well-crafted website, an e-commerce store can become a goldmine of profitability. The beauty of this business model is that it's not just about selling. It's also about building a brand and creating a loyal customer base. With the advent of automation tools and third-party services, managing inventory, processing orders, and customer service can be largely automated, making it a business that requires minimal oversight. The potential profitability is immense given the global reach of the internet and the increasing trend of online shopping. So if you're seeking a business that can run itself while you focus on strategic growth and expansion, an e-commerce store could be your ticket. An e-commerce store is a business that can run itself once set up properly. Coming in at number 9 is blogging. Now, you might be thinking, blogging, is that still a thing? Absolutely. In fact, it's more relevant than ever. Blogging is essentially the practice of writing and publishing articles on a particular website or platform. But here's where it gets interesting. With the right strategies and a bit of creativity, blogging can be a self-running business. How so, you ask? Well, it's all about creating valuable content that attracts a loyal audience. Once you've built up a solid readership, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or even selling your own products or services. The beauty of blogging is that once your content is out there, it continues to attract traffic and generate income even when you're not actively working on it. That's the essence of a self-running business. And remember, blogging can be a goldmine if you're passionate and patient. At number 8, we have online courses. The digital age has paved the way for a surge in online learning. With the flexibility it offers and the vast range of subjects available, it's no wonder that people from all walks of life are turning to online courses to further their education or pick up a new skill. Creating and selling online courses can be a rewarding venture. You have the opportunity to share your expertise and insights while generating a passive income. Once the course is developed and uploaded onto a platform, it can essentially run on its own. Students sign up, pay the course fee, and learn at their own pace. Furthermore, with automated updates and quizzes, your involvement can be minimal, leaving you free to focus on other ventures. So, if you're an expert in a certain field, why not consider creating an online course? Online courses are a great way to share knowledge and earn money passively. Coming in at number 7 is dropshipping. Now let's delve into the realm of e-commerce, where dropshipping is an increasingly popular business model. But what exactly is dropshipping? Simply put, it's a retail model where you, as the seller, don't keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third party, who then ships it directly to the customer. Clever, isn't it? Not only does this eliminate the need for inventory storage, but it also reduces the upfront costs typically associated with traditional retail. The potential profitability? Well, it largely depends on your marketing skills and the products you choose to sell. But with the right strategies, you could potentially rake in substantial profits. The best part? It's a business you can run from anywhere, at any time, with minimal effort. Dropshipping is a smart business model that requires less capital and effort. At number 6, we have affiliate marketing. This is a business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's a fantastic way to monetize your online presence, whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account. One of the main advantages of affiliate marketing is the potential for passive income. Once you've set up your affiliate links and created content around them, you could potentially earn money while you sleep. And the more traffic you can drive to your affiliate links, the more money you can make. Furthermore, affiliate marketing can run autonomously. This means that once you've set everything up, the business can essentially run itself. Of course, you'll need to monitor performance and make adjustments where necessary, but the day-to-day operations can be largely automated. So, if you're looking for a business idea that can generate income with minimal ongoing effort, consider affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can turn your website or blog into a money-making machine. Coming in at number 5 is running a YouTube channel, a platform that has revolutionized the way we consume content. YouTube offers an incredible opportunity for entrepreneurs to create self-sustaining businesses. So how does it work? You start by identifying a niche that interests you and has potential viewership. Then you create engaging content around that theme. This could be anything from cooking tutorials to tech reviews. The possibilities are endless. Now, the beauty of a YouTube channel is that it can run autonomously. Once your videos are uploaded, they can generate revenue around the clock without any additional input from you. This is through ad revenue, sponsored content, and even merchandise sales. The potential profitability, well, that depends on your content's quality and appeal. Some YouTubers make a comfortable living while others become millionaires. It's a game of creativity, consistency, and a bit of luck. A YouTube channel can be a lucrative business if you create engaging content. At number 4, we have podcasting. The podcasting landscape has been steadily gaining traction over the last few years, making it a viable option for a self-running business. This is an audio platform where individuals can discuss a variety of topics ranging from business strategies to lifestyle advice, depending on their area of expertise or interest. What makes podcasting stand out is its potential for passive income. Once your podcast episodes are out there in the digital universe, they can generate revenue through sponsorships, advertisements, and listener donations, even while you're asleep. Moreover, podcasting can operate autonomously once it's set up. All you need to do is record your episodes, edit them, and publish them on a podcast platform. The rest is left to the listeners, who can tune in at their convenience. In a world where multitasking is the norm, people love having the option to learn new things while going about their day-to-day tasks. Podcasting can be a great way to connect with your audience and earn money passively. Coming in at number 3 is mobile applications. It's a digital era, and mobile applications are a brilliant way to tap into this vast market. From games to productivity tools, mobile apps have a wide range of possibilities. Now, you might be thinking, how can this be a self-running business? Well, here's the secret. Once the app is developed and launched in the market, it can generate revenue in several ways. One of the most common is through in-app purchases or advertisements. And the best part, these revenue streams can continue to flow even when you're asleep or on vacation. The potential profitability of mobile applications is vast. Look at the success stories out there. Think Instagram, Uber, or even your favorite game. But remember, the key to a successful app is a unique idea that solves a problem or entertains. Mobile applications can be a profitable venture if you have a unique idea. At number 2, we have the SaaS business model. Software as a service, or SaaS, is a software licensing and delivery model in which users access software over the internet, typically through a subscription. It's a digital era's marvel, offering immense potential for entrepreneurs worldwide. The beauty of a SaaS business lies in its dual advantage. On one hand, it can generate recurring revenue, providing a steady income stream. On the other hand, once the software is developed and deployed, it can run almost autonomously, requiring only periodic updates and customer support. Think about popular SaaS platforms like Salesforce or Slack. They've revolutionized the way businesses operate. And there's room for more. With the right idea, the right execution, and a demand-driven market, a SaaS business can be a goldmine. A SaaS business offers a high return on investment and can run on autopilot. It's a powerful contender in our list of self-running business ideas worth exploring. And finally, at number 1 is real estate investments. This timeless venture has proven to be a goldmine for those who understand its intricacies. It is the process of acquiring property with the intention of generating income, either through renting or reselling at a higher price. The beauty of real estate investments is in its potential profitability. With the right strategy, you can reap substantial returns from your initial investment. This is primarily due to the appreciating value of land and properties over time. Another compelling aspect is its ability to run autonomously. Once you've purchased a property and have it rented out, you essentially sit back and collect rent. This is what we call passive income. Of course, like any other investment, it's not without its risks, but with careful planning, market research, and perhaps a bit of luck, real estate investments can generate passive income and have the potential for significant returns. And there you have it. 10 self-running business ideas you should consider. From e-commerce stores to real estate investments, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Whether you're keen on blogging, creating online courses, or starting a podcast, there's something for everyone. Why not explore mobile applications or a SaaS business, or perhaps affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or starting your own YouTube channel sparks your interest. Remember to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more business insights and ideas. Until next time, keep investing and keep growing.